Namaste, I Chitra Deshpande, Headmistress of Bharat Public School, Bhalki. I welcome you all to the world of Bharat Public School. Bharat Public School is a seed that germinates from the dreams of our chairperson, Mr. Praveen Hanamshetty. And moreover, it's not just a school, it's a wonderland of our toddlers and creative young minds.
This is Dr. Yuvraj Jadhav and this is Dr. Vaishali Jadhav. We are parents to Swara Yuvraj Jadhav. She is class 8 student of Bharat Public School. To be very peculiar and very frank, what I liked about Bharat Public School is they give importance to overall development of a student. Sports is as important as studies. That is what I liked in Bharat Public School.
Good morning. I would like to take this opportunity to express my opinion about Bharat Public School, which is one of the prestigious school in the Bhalki. My both sons are studying in this school. My younger son, Anmol Kalyani, who secured 209 marks out of 300 in Sainik School entrance examination this year. My elder son, Krishna Kalyani, who is studying in the 7th standard. I really glad that both sons are getting quality based education. The teachers in this school are highly qualified and well experienced. They take individual care for the overall development of the student.
My hobby is to play, and I just want to play all day. My school ground is an best place to play. That too with my Abhishek sir, my God.
Myself Sunita Shivasharanappa Kudte. I am mother of Arush and Akshar Kurte. First of all, I thank you, the head of the Bharat Public School, Mrs. Chitra Deshpande ma'am. Your hard work and dedications towards the school. The most grateful is your contributions towards the team and your creativity and problem solving skills and your team handling. I'm impressed about your positive attitude, and thanks to the Abhishek sir, you are making our children's very skill development and well disciplined, and it's the most important to thanks to the non-teaching staff, driver uncles, aunties and the watchman uncle. You are like helping our children to maintain very cleanness, and I thanks to the president of Bharat Public School, Mr. Praveen Hanamshetty sir, very supportive, and in the one sentence I can say, simple living, high thinking.
ಕನ್ನಡಂ ಗೆಲ್ಗೆ ಶ್ರೀಗನ್ನಡಂ ಬಾಳ್ಗೆ ಶ್ರೀಗನ್ನಡಂ ಗೆಲ್ಗೆ. ನಾನು ಸುಂದರರಾಜ್ ಹುಣಜಿಕರ್, ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಭಾಲ್ಕಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕನಾಗಿ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಭಾಲ್ಕಿ ಪಟ್ಟಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರತ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ತುಂಬ ಮಹತ್ವದ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾಕಂತಂದರೆ ಕವಿ ಕುವೆಂಪು ಅವರ ಸಾಲುಗಳು ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನಪಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸರ್ವ ಜನಾಂಗದ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ತೂಟ, ರಸಿಕರ ಕಂಗಳ ಸೆಳೆಯುವ ನೋಟ ಅನ್ನುವ ಹಾಗೆ ಭಾಲ್ಕಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕಂಡುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತಿ ಮಹತ್ವದ ಸಾಧನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದೆ.
ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸರ್ವಾಂಗೀಣ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮೌಲ್ಯಭರಿತವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.